DS Diving Service. This is Dane. It is March 24th, 2021. We are at Second Wind. I have got Zach diving under the on the port side, working on that out drive. I've already got this drive cleaned up. I'm going to show you the bottom, and I'm going to show you that you're going to need zinc soon. Especially your out drives also really could use paint. They're really supposed to get that paint once a year. I think it's been a little over a year since you've done it, and we're headed into the busy season. If they don't get paint, they're not going to stay very clean very long. But let's take a look now that she's clean.